Hi, first grade. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you had a nice weekend. I'm going to read you a funny book by Mo Willems, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And I know we all love Mo Willems, and his books are always so good. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if what if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze, too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Now who has a cold? Remember, always sneeze into your elbow. Don't be sneezing all over everybody, because then you spread the germs. I really miss you. See you later.